Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you how I dig up and replant where I want them to grow. Digitalis Foxglove. As you can see, once you've got them in your garden, you start self-seeding. There's 1, 2, 3 there. Quite simple. One over there. See, I'm digging everything out of this border so I can plant my poppies and my other perennial garden plants. So back to the digitalis. You can see it comes up really easy. You got good root system. Once you've dug it up, find somewhere where you're happy for it to be, so it flowers next spring, early summer. As you can see, I'm planting them in a row, all against this fence. That's because it gets partial shade in the morning and then full sun in the afternoon. They will also be shaded in the afternoon by the other plants at the front. So take your plant, quite simple. It's got ready. One thing you don't want to do is plant them too deep. Make sure the crown is at least level with the surrounding soil. That's it. All you need to do is give it a good water and that'll be fine, and that'll flower next spring, early summer. So that's digitalis to dig up and move to where you want to flower.